Welcome back again to Inside Home Channel. Today we are exploring a home that features elegant, bright interiors with a mix of traditional and contemporary styles. Rooms are decorated with soft colors, fine furniture, and plenty of plants, creating a harmonious and welcoming atmosphere. Let's get started. Stepping inside, the entryway features slate floors, antique furniture, and a striking bronze sculpture. Antique treasures and florals add sophistication and romance. Thoughtfully curated details throughout create a sense of history and comfort. This elegant living room combines soft hues of pink, blue, and green to create a serene and inviting atmosphere. Comfortable seating with patterned throw pillows and carefully placed vintage artwork adds character, while large windows allow natural light to fill the space. The room features a thoughtful mix of decor, from sculptural pieces to plants, providing a timeless, harmonious feel. The balance of cozy furnishings, natural elements, and classic touches makes the space both stylish and welcoming. This is a cozy, elegantly styled living room with dark blue walls and warm lighting. It blends traditional and eclectic elements, with comfortable sofas, patterned cushions, and vibrant floral arrangements. Framed artworks and bookshelves add character, while natural light brings warmth to the space, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. This powder room exudes vintage charm, with an intricately framed mirror reflecting its sophisticated simplicity. It shows a cozy dining area with bamboo furniture and vibrant floral accents, a serene kitchen window with orchids and a soft floral blind. A stylish staircase with elegant wallpaper and a sleek light fixture. The design creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere with natural elements and subtle colors. The images showcase a cozy, elegant bedroom with floral wallpaper, vintage furniture, and soft lighting. The overall atmosphere is calm, with natural light softly illuminating the space, making it feel like a peaceful retreat from the outside world. These 3 bedrooms combine vintage elegance with modern serenity. Soft blue tones, personal touches, and vintage furnishings create inviting, peaceful spaces. Together, they showcase timeless, comfortable spaces that blend style, personality, and tranquility.